Hey Siri, play music on Apple TV.
I'm a soldier, motherfucker, and I put that on my mama and them. Heard them talking reckless, they don't really want to problem them. Tell them wakey, wakey when I drop another bomb again. Blessing holy water, but be sinking when it's time to swim. Finish with the trauma, bring the dollars in. I just left the streets, but still the women say they proud of him. Left the fabricated, so the truth, I bring it out of them. Still believe in God, I'm like Daniel in the lion's den. They can burn the city, but still be reppin' bros. I ain't known to come up little, I'm a professional. Walk into the building, do my shit, and grab a check and go. Setback hella scars, but still exceptional. Whoa, 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 whoa. Who gon' tell him no? How you supposed to win when this melanin is criminal? Rapping cause lieutenant, I'ma get it, that's in general. City red and blues, know these not political. Spirit kinda numb, so my nigga, I don't feel it. I've been prayed up, it's ironic how I killed it. Went from taking buses to them busing, that's a field trip. Bible in my hand, but my pocket got a steel grip. Spirit kinda numb, so my I don't feel it. I've been prayed up, it's ironic how I killed it. Went from taking buses to them busing, that's a field trip. Bible in my hand, but my pocket got a steel grip. In a row, yeah, I said it. They hella timid, though they energy synthetic. I've been swerving like it's 10 to 4. Like where you headed, I just had to let some people go. I don't regret it, look, everybody selling dreams. Wonder why they selling that. First I had some corporate dreams, but then I saw they selling black. Everything is everything, so where the money at? Walking through the rain till I end up where it's sunny at. I've been spitting dummy raps, why I feel like underdog. I just took a honey pack, now I feel like y'all. Loyalty is tough, dog. Love became a crutch, dog. I've been in the tough, dog, trying to fill my cup, dog. Spirit kinda numb, so my I don't feel it. I've been prayed up, it's ironic how I killed you. Went from taking buses to them busing, that's a field trip. Bible in my hand, but my pocket got a steel grip. Spirit kinda numb, so my I don't.
Hi, what's up guys? Good morning guys. I think now it's around like 8 to 9 and I just came from the gym, so I thought let me pass here by Weylandts because in a couple of months I'm looking to upgrade my home setup, so I'm looking for some furniture pieces and ideas. So I just came here for inspiration because yeah, their furniture is amazing and it feels so good, man. It's like it feels like home, but yeah, the price is it's quite tricky for a mid-level software engineer like me. But yeah, man, I hope you guys are doing well. If it's your first time here, I'm Itumeleng and welcome to the family, man. And please like and subscribe. Mr. How Much always says, support local YouTube. It's the right thing to do, guys. Please. So please like and subscribe if you're watching this. If you like tech or if you like content like this, please like and subscribe. But yeah, I like it here. They also have a lucky bread in here. So I'm having like what people call a French breakfast. So I'm having a croissant and a cappuccino with almond milk as usual. But yeah, man, it's a nice ambiance. They have some nice indoor plants. Everything is immaculate, man. Everything is amazing here. But yeah, I've been reading a book by Adam Grant. It's Think Again, and it's basically about rethinking patterns and ideas, especially in like changing ecosystems. So I find it more fitting or prevalent in times that we find ourselves where, like, I swear there's like everywhere I go, it's AI that, AI this. On X, Anthropic is releasing features every day. And everyone is releasing something that has to do with AI, and I'm just curious, are you guys using these tools? How do your daily workflows look? Has it transformed the way you work, or are you guys feeling more anxious about it, or are you excited about the future? What are your feelings about it? Where do you guys see us as software engineers or as engineers in the future? What do you guys think about the future? Let's get that out of the way. But the plan for today is to go to like Sorbet Man and do some mail maintenance and get my nails done. Yeah, get my nails done. And then go to iStore and then just take it from there. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy the vlog and peace out, man. Hi, what's up? So we just came back from the shopping mall, and the plan now is to work on a paper that I've been putting off, and it's due next week. So there's no hiding away from it. I really need to put in the work, and then later I'm just gonna head out for dinner. But before we do that, I just want us to unbox. I recently got this Xiaomi monitor light bar from Takealot, and I've been looking for a good light bar for a while. The ones I really liked were from BenQ, but those were expensive, so when I saw this one, I really had to get it. And up to this day, I still won't tell you why Takealot ships their products in such big boxes. Maybe they only have one standard box size, I don't know. But the packaging actually looks really good. Let's open it up. Inside the box, the materials look really premium. I honestly didn't expect this for the price. First, you get the monitor controller. It feels really nice to the touch, and the dial is super satisfying to use. It runs on AAA batteries, but the only downside is that it doesn't come with any, so you'll need to get your own. Next, you get the clamp, which really surprised me. It's actually quite heavy and feels solid. Then there's the light by itself. You can see the LED strips inside when it's off, and it attaches to the clamp magnetically, and the magnets are really strong, which I really like. You also get a USB-C cable, and honestly I've lost count of how many of this I have. And of course the manual, which we are never going to read. Now let's set it up. It was super easy to mount it onto my monitor, and it honestly feels like the missing piece I didn't know I needed. Another nice thing is that the cable is USB on the other end, so I just plugged it straight into my docking station. The controller automatically connected to the light bar, which was actually surprising. I like the fact that it's also wireless, and you can control both the brightness and the color temperature directly from it. Now that the monitor light is set up, let's get to work.